Needless to say, I'm pretty nervous at this point, so got another box inside. I'm pretty sure it did say it was supposed to have a tyre on it, but there's no tyre on there. What is going on today, guys? Welcome back to DC Unplugged, and today, well, I went out of my way and bought eBay's cheapest 1000 watt 48 volt hub motor kit thing. Anyway, it's here, it's finally arrived, hence the reason why not many uploads. I've been waiting for pretty much this to rock up. You can see it's still got the safety straps on it. So I haven't opened this yet, and I thought it'd be great to bring you along for a ride and open up something that was very cheap and see what's inside of it, whether it's good or bad. The good, bad, and the ugly, I suppose. So yeah, let's get around to basically undoing the box. What could possibly go wrong? Anyway, let's go. Needless to say, I'm pretty nervous at this point, so... Okay. Not too bad. Pretty thick cardboard. Alright. They're looking after the packaging. Got another box inside. Okay. Alright. Not bad. I'm pretty sure it did say it was supposed to have a tyre on it, but there's no tyre on there. But nothing that I haven't already done before. Oh, here we go. Got ourselves a tube. Looks half decent. Alrighty. Give you a look inside the box. Wow. The lighting is not great today, I will admit. Lighting is not great. There's the tyre in the back there. The rim, dare say that would be the box for the controllers. Yeah, let's have a look. Pull this stuff out one at a time. Let's just go with the big one. Oh, wow, that's got a better weight to it. Wow. All right. That is actually pretty heavy. Got our... I'm so gonna get a new tire. That is just... Okay. It do be tiring. Ooh, what's this? Oh, mad. They even gave us one of those little spoke things. Stop the tube from getting punctured. I'm gonna assume it's a controller. And a... Okay. So they give... We're gonna be making one of those guys. Yeah, let's go. No, I'm kidding. Alright, so this is a 1000 watt motor on a 48 volt system, which actually looks half decent. As you can probably tell, this motor is quite large because the size of my head. It's pretty much the size of my head, which is huge. But I've got small little phase wires on there though. It's got MOSFETs, which is cool. Mad. And we've got little protectors as well. Excellent. Alright, cool. Mad. Alright, so what I had to do to make sure that this was all good is I had to make sure that this part here between, like, so the dropouts were 100 mil. I already measured that and then went onto this website, made sure that it was definitely going to fit. But yeah, spokes are actually decently tight overall. Looks pretty promising so far. Alright, they've given us some zip ties to do some cable management, I would say. we've got a twisty boy with, I'm assuming that's a horn. I don't know, we'll find out what that does. We've got the other side, we've got our main body harness coming down from the throttle. Ooh, got a pretty beefy looking controller here too. Pretty good. Has no markings or serial. Oh no, here we go. Oh yeah, that's a pedal kit, so if you wanted to put pedals on there, but we're not using that, so we can pretty much just yeet that. Oh cool. They've even given us brake levers, but we won't be using these. What I'll probably end up doing is either putting one, or that's completely disconnected, or actually taking these sensors out of these levers, so then that way the e-bike knows to slow down and start using the e-brake if we want to do regenerative braking, or we could just leave it, but I'd prefer to have regenerative braking in there, just because it will help us with battery life. So if we can put some back in there, then it'll definitely help us out. And these are way too long, man. Oh cool. And they've given us some sheathing to make it kind of look neat and tidy. Sweet. So there we go, guys. eBay's cheapest 1000 watt 48 volt system. Kind of keen to see how this goes, but yeah, thought I'd bring you along for a bit of an unboxing and to see what's inside a budget $330 including delivery e-bike kit is like. But yeah, that's pretty much what it's involved in. A pretty cheap $300 I guess eBay special. So we're gonna get all this sorted out, see if it all fits. If it doesn't, then a grinder will be my best friend and I'll make it fit. Anyway guys, hope you enjoyed the unboxing, and we'll see you in the next episode when we go to fit it and we find out what's wrong and what's right and if it will fit. Anyway guys, if you like what you see here and you're keen to see what this is on, or you don't know what the trike is, definitely look back in our previous videos. You'll see the trike in those reveal videos. We've found a colour for this, we've set on the colour, and we're pretty much going for it. So there'll be lots of bits and pieces, but first of all we're going to test this, make sure it actually works. I'm not even going to fit a tyre to it, I'm just going to mount it to the trike real quick, upside down, just do some real quick bits and pieces. But yeah, anyway guys, if you like stuff like this, you like the look of this and some funny budget friendly stuff that you might even have a trike lying around that you might be able to do something like this, it will definitely help you along your way to how to wire it up and whatnot. So yeah, if you like this kind of stuff guys, give us a comment down below, give us a like, subscribe up there if you feel you like to, please do, it helps us along with the channel. And yeah, we'll see you in the next episode when it comes to this trike. Thanks all for watching, cheers.